Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, myself Muhammad Khadim Asif. Welcome to all of you my YouTube channel. We are going to tell you the most useful method by which you can get your all wishes fulfilled with the grace of Almighty Allah. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about make your ex regret, cry and suffer for you in 3 minutes. Make your ex regret, cry and suffer for you in 3 minutes. Your ex will repent on what he did. Do you want that your ex would regret that what he did with you? Do you want that your ex must feel the same you are feeling? Do you want that your ex say sorry to you? Do you want that your ex cry for you and miss you very much? Here is a very strong spells that will help you in making your ex missing you extremely and making him to feel the same way you are feeling. With the help of this method, your ex will cry and run after you and will say sorry to you for what he did with you. Materials required for this spell: 1 empty glass, some lavender oil, 1 pinch of salt, some rose water, paper and sketch pen. Method to cast the spell: put 1 pinch of salt in the glass. Now write the name and the name of your ex on the paper. Roll the paper, put in the glass. Now pour some lavender oil in this glass. Now recite the given spell for 161 times. Chant the spell: winds to the east, sunny by moon, bring to me my love soon. I wait with goddess as she shines my path. Send my lover to me by heart's map. After that, below on the rose water, pour the rose water in the glass. Place it under your bed. In the morning, throw the glass in the river or pond. Very soon your ex will run behind you madly. Precautions to be followed: cast this spell on Wednesday after sunset. Do not cast the spell twice on the same people. Do not cast this spell during your menses. If you are having any doubt or need a solution to any other problem, then contact us. You can also call us or message us on WhatsApp for an instant solution on the number visible in the description. And you can get more detailed solution of your problem from my website www.astrologerasif.com. I would be there to answer your all questions. Till that, you take care, and if you like this video, then surely like it and share it. Khuda Hafiz, my friend.